Hey beauties, get the cherry cola lips look everyone wants. If you've been on TikTok or Insta lately, you've probably seen the cherry cola lips trend everywhere. Seriously, it's that perfect mix of juicy red, a hint of brown, and a glossy finish that just screams effortless glam. Today, I'm walking you through the easiest way to get those viral lips using budget-friendly products and a couple pro tricks. First up, you want smooth, soft lips. I always start by exfoliating. Just grab a lip scrub, or even a wet toothbrush, gently buff your lips, and then dab on a little lip balm. Trust me, your lip color will go on way smoother. Now for the fun part, color. The secret to cherry cola lips is layering. Start with a brown lip liner, or a deep berry lip liner. NOYX's Espresso, Urban Cafe. Outline your lips, but don't be afraid to exaggerate your Cupid's bow or the corners for that full, plush look. And blend the liner slightly inward with your fingertips so you don't get any harsh lines. Next, time for that cherry pop. Grab a cherry red lipstick or a lip tint. My go-to for this is Maybelline's Cherry Chic or ELF S Red Riot. Super affordable, crazy pigmented. Dab it right in the center of your lips, and then blend outward with your finger or a lip brush. You're aiming for a soft ombre effect where the red melts into the brown liner. If you want more drama, just layer up that red until you're happy with the intensity. Okay, now here's where the magic happens. Gloss. A clear gloss works, but I'm obsessed with the NYX Butter Gloss in Praline or Fenty Beauty's Gloss Bomb. Swipe it all over for that glassy, plumped-up look. The gloss pulls the whole look together and amps up that juicy cola vibe. Pro tip, if you want your lips to look even fuller, tap a tiny bit of highlighter or shimmery eyeshadow on your Cupid's bow and the center of your bottom lip. Instant pout, trust me. And that's it. Cherry cola lips in under 5 minutes. It's bold but wearable, perfect for summer nights, coffee dates, or whenever you want that extra little pop. Plus, you can play with the shades, go deeper for fall, or swap in a pinkier red for a softer look. Got any lip combos you're obsessed with? Drop them in the comments and tag me so I can hype you up. Before you go, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more easy glam tutorials. Thanks for hanging out with me, and remember, confidence is always your best accessory. See you in the next one.